So right about the time in life when a gentleman starts to lose their stiffness, a very particular thing happens within your blood vessels. And the change that occurs within your blood vessels is actually the main reason why you witness softening down there, but it is also accompanied by a simultaneous rise in your blood pressure. You may notice that kind of right around the same time your doctor suggests Cialis or Viagra, he or she is also telling you to keep an eye on your blood pressure. Well, in fact, a study published in the Journal of Urology found that 68% of men with high blood pressure also had some problem getting and staying stiff. And for almost half of the men in the study, their erectile dysfunction was considered severe. We've discussed how the prostate plays a role in erectile dysfunction or ED. So for more on that, you can actually check out this video here. But today, we're gonna dive deep into the blood vessels of the cardiovascular system. So make sure you subscribe and turn on your notifications so that you never miss out on this type of life-changing men's health information. Because every decade of life, your blood vessels actually age significantly. It's not just your skin. The ideal blood vessel is supple. It has elastic tissue to stretch and contract without a lot of pressure. And the lining of the blood vessel has embedded within the walls an enzyme called eNOS, E-N-O-S, which is the catalyst for making the blood vessel dilate and contract with each beat of the heart. And as you age, the elasticity of the arteries is really replaced by hard and calcified fibers. And as this happens, eNOS can no longer do the job to create the most important molecule within the body, nitric oxide. Nitric oxide is the purveyor of stiffness and the purveyor of normal blood pressure. When it is created and released, it allows the arteries within your body to relax and expand. And when those blood vessels relax and expand, blood flow increases, it surges forward. And within the erectile tissue, it leads to stiffness. Within the cardiovascular system, it allows the blood pressure to stay at a normal range, something we call normotensive. But what happens over time is that enzyme eNOS stops creating nitric oxide. It becomes damaged, or what we call uncoupled. So your level of nitric oxide decreases gradually over time. Take a look at this diagram created by Dr. Nathan Bryant, and you'll see the level of nitric oxide decreases almost 20% every decade of life after 30. Whew. Now, the problem with losing nitric oxide production over time, because that eNOS enzyme is defective or uncoupled, is that it causes impaired blood flow to every part of your body. Your brain, your kidneys, your liver, everything. And since we're speaking specifically about erectile function and erectile health, once those tissues stop getting adequate surges of blood flow, the tissue shrinks, it shrivels, and the embarrassment sets in. So let's discuss how you can keep eNOS coupled and working to maintain adequate levels of nitric oxide. As a matter of fact, I actually have a free gift pinned within the comments below for you at the very top of the comments to help you keep those nitric oxide levels supported and robust. So just click the link, enter your email address, and I'll send it to you. Look, the top ways to keep nitric oxide levels to maintain stiff and strong erections and healthy blood vessels are as follows. 1, breathe through your nose. The sinuses are a reservoir for nitric oxide. And if you mouth breathe, your levels of nitric oxide will be low and depleted. Number 2, you must increase dietary nitrates. Increasing the nitrate-rich foods within your diet using my eFunction recipes can actually help you do that. But nitrates help recouple eNOS, and it can help increase the amount of nitric oxide that your blood vessels are able to create. You can take a nitric oxide boosting supplement, a nitrate-based supplement, instead of one that has L-arginine, because the nitrate can help heal the gut, recouple eNOS, because too much L-arginine can make you sick and in long term actually make the blood vessels even less healthy. My recommended nitric oxide boosting supplement is linked below. And listen, at the top of the comment sections below, just click on the link, enter your email address, and I'll send you a free gift that'll help you support high nitric oxide levels, because nitric oxide is youth. So subscribe to my channel, share this video with at least one person that you know needs this information, which honestly is any man at any stage of his life, and comment below to let me know how you are supporting your nitric oxide levels. I'll see you next week. I'm out. Boom! I love ya.